everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about REDnote and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about your application of REDnote and then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.